Good Sunday morning, Northern Michigan, from your local National Weather Service office in Gaylord. This is meteorologist Dave Lawrence with you once again, and thanks for joining us for the latest hazardous weather briefing for northern, lower, and eastern upper Michigan. The only thing to talk about, really, elevated fire danger expected once again for northern, lower Michigan Tuesday afternoon. That means we're headed into a stretch of dry and warm weather once again, which is obviously not a bad thing for this time of the year when, of course, it can get quite cold at times as well. We'll talk more about that here in just a second. Otherwise, looking at a cold front marching through the area this morning. There's a band of rain along that feature. That will mainly exit off to the east, say through mid-morning or so, leaving us with maybe a period of clouds through mid to late morning, but lots of afternoon sunshine. Temperatures just a little bit cooler than what we saw yesterday. As we push further ahead, that front slips off to our east by Monday morning. High pressure builds in for the day on Monday, slips off to our east later Monday, which allows southwest winds to return ahead of another cold front over the northern plains. That will usher in some very warm weather for the Monday, Tuesday, and at least Wednesday time frame. Before we keep an eye on yet another storm system developing to our north and west, which will begin to affect our area later in the work week, especially Friday and into Saturday and Sunday, with some increasing hints that we will see much colder conditions return as we head toward next weekend. In the meantime, though, ahead of that secondary weak moisture-starved cold front on Wednesday, we will see elevated fire danger, especially Tuesday afternoon across much of the area, with some gusty southwest winds, low humidity, and warm temperatures up in the 70s, perhaps even near 80 degrees. Certainly some spectacular weather out there for the next couple of days. Otherwise, outside of that fire danger, no hazardous weather is expected right on through next Saturday, and we do hope you enjoy this beautiful stretch of weather while it is still here. Well, that concludes it for the latest rendition of this briefing. A short one this morning. Thanks for listening in. Hope you have a great second half of the weekend. And once again, enjoy that stretch of weather coming up because we all know it is on its way out here before too much longer. Otherwise, thanks again for your time. Be sure to stop by, interact with us on Facebook and Twitter, or stop by for the latest information from this briefing, which will be posted online no later than 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.